Hi, my name is Chandan Gupta and I am from BrandBurp. The objective of this video is to let you know what a search engine optimization is, or in short, what an SEO is. I would also give you tips on how this works. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Have you ever wondered how to have more and more people find your websites online on Google and other search related engines? Let me tell you, there are 183 million websites and businesses in this world today who have their own individual websites. And getting known amongst the general customers is not easy. Let me explain you how Google works. Every first page of Google, every page that Google actually would display, you would only find 10 searches, nothing more than that. Now, if I have to go and find something online on Google, the moment I go ahead and type in the keywords, only 10 results gets displayed on the very first page. All other results would get displayed on the second page, the third page, the fourth page. However, as per human psychology, nearly 83% of the people would only see and believe what they see on the first page. They even do not click on the second page to see more of your information. Hence, getting on the first page of Google is all that you have to focus upon. Otherwise, you are simply losing 50% of your customer. There is a very clear communication that we actually provide our clients. For every project that we get, there is a dedicated project manager that is assigned, who is responsible for giving all the information and education about the project with the client. Every 15 days or every fortnightly or a month, there is a detailed work report that is shared with the client. The client comes on a call, we explain what exactly the ranking of the keywords are, what exactly has been done in this last 15 days, so that they will be able to track all the changes. They can see the new ranking of the keywords, and if there is any roadmap that needs a change, we go on and discuss all those things as well. We use high-end premier tools to gauge all the working reports that we have and find out best things in the market that is upcoming for that particular project. So what are you waiting for? If you have a project in mind and if you need a company who can actually help you with your search engine optimization, do not hesitate, just get in touch with BrandBurp. We'll be happy to go and send you our happy client testimonials so that you can see who we are, whom we have worked with, and how we can actually help you. Alright, so that was it. I believe that you have now a fair idea of what an SEO is and how it works. If you like this short video, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.